in the event of extreme water stress periods during rainy season? Well, our reporter Emmanuel Twala visited one of the villages in Salima where people are preserving Msangu trees with ultimate care after realizing benefits that can be derived from them, and he now reports.
This is Kemu 5 village found in traditional authority Kalonga in Salima district. It is one of the villages that have just realized the benefits of Acacia abida, also commonly known as Msangu tree. For many years, people here in Salima have just treated these trees as usual species of trees, but now through the findings of the recent research, these people have realized that Msangu trees have economical benefits through carbon trading. Among others, Msangu trees are used for nitrogen fixation, soil erosion control, for crops, for food, drink, and medicine. Unlike most other trees, it sheds its leaves in the rainy season. For this reason, it is highly valued in agroforestry as it can grow among field crops without shedding them. The leaves from this legume tree are high in nitrogen and can double yields in maize crops and others when added to the soil.
Ngakale ko kare yala mbe mezi majaba Msangu bano si foda yayi fo ima beza chonde jambiri kama so ima sunga somaji kwambiri ifwa zuwa siro kwambiri
ineyo zimathandiza uraba mbwaga sada milango ija nde uri mabeza konkuni timaphikira komaso imabeza chonde mori wajaga jino eneyo ngati ndajadowe ifo ya ntengo wa Msangu ifo ne uri pa ntengo wa Msangu mba bana bala jimanga jambiri.
Regional Program Coordinator for Leadership for Environment and Development lead, Professor Sosten Jota, says Msangu trees can provide the best option in climate change adaptation. He says, among others, Msangu trees increase water retention, which is very useful when there is little rainfall.
Is one way in which they are adapting, because it does improve the soil fertility, it improves the water retention property, and then it improves the soil structure, and then they are able to harvest more. And then if they add fertilizer, then they don't need so much fertilizer. As you heard from the communities here, this is a strategy which they think they can help themselves, and if there's anybody else, they can just push them, which is what we are trying to encourage in terms of reducing vulnerability to climate change. But also, it has potential for mitigation. And mitigation, we are talking of mechanisms by which you reduce the concentration of greenhouse gases. And there are all these programs like RED Plus. So we feel that Msangu can capture quite a lot of carbon. In this area, it's very easy to grow, and it can also grow for a long time. And therefore, when the RED Plus strategy is implemented and we are able to access funding under that program, it means these communities who have Msangu or Fadebia will have an additional benefit. Apart from adaptation, which improves soil fertility and increases yield, they can also be able to get additional income stream from carbon trading.
Msangu is a thorny tree growing up to 6 meters to 30 meters tall and 2 meters in trunk diameter. Its deep penetrating taproot makes it highly resistant to drought. Emmanuel Twala, MBC News, Salima.
Hindus in Malawi and the world over